Alright, we have another Excel tutorial. This one's going to be about formulas. So what we're going to do is just show you uh, if you're wanting to create a multiplication table, for example, what we can do is just enter in several numbers just as an example. So, now let's say we want to have to multiply all of those numbers. We can just enter in a formula in cell H2, and you can tell it's H2 is active, one, because it's there, and two, this will also tell you what cell is active. So in this active cell, we're going to enter equals. All formulas always start with the equals uh, symbol. Then we will do hold down the control key. You're going to select cell B2 times cell C2 times cell D2 times E2 times F2. So that's going to give us the answer here. Now notice there's no comma. What we can do is right click on this cell and we're going to format it. See, right now it's just formatted as general. It doesn't have anything specific. So we could format it as a number. And if we want to use it as a comma, and we could have two decimal places. This is just a personal preference. Have a negative number show up in parentheses and in red text. You could also change this to be currency or anything that would be more specific to numbers. Click OK. Now it is comma separated. The purpose of being able to have items in a cell and have a formula calculated is because the calculations are just going to be based off what is in that cell, not the actual number. So we can just change this number to anything and the result updates automatically. So we could put in 50 and the result updates automatically. So this formula is just multiplying whatever is in these cells, not this formula is not saying that this cell is always going to be a 9 or this cell is always going to be a 7 or this cell is always going to be a 7. It's just whatever happens to be in those cells, this formula is going to calculate as a multiplication.